Today our respawn is going to be the Argentine flag, which is out on the side of Kafir Hill. It's that green trailer to the right side. Are you all familiar with that?
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna be starting down here though. So the British forces are going to have to blow up the helicopter. Our helicopter provides air support for us. We also have 3 anti-aircraft guns that we have to defend throughout the day. If they're able to take all of those out using a green smoke grenade, then they can start calling in airstrikes. For those, we're going to use a referee. He's going to set off a grenade and he's going to call out basically a 20-foot kill radius. So if it's in open ground, if it's in a building, it's anybody in that building is dead. It's going to be some pretty big firefights, so be ready for that. As you guys get killed off, if nobody's able to medic you and you have to come back in, try to get up to our respawn point and back down pretty quickly, all right? You guys some cover, bro. You guys can start to like move. There's a tree line over there.
Hit, man. Took out 2 of them though.
Danny, you guys are lined up there?
I blame Potter.
Yeah, Pulper's back.
I'll just be a combat med all day. You go there.
So what do they gotta do? They gotta hit the helicopter in the fire base.
They still behind the RV?
I got guys inside the RV.
Hey Jeff, on your right side to the right of the pillbox in the window, there's one.
On our left side, all the way to the left.
Have a couple guys come down to you because it looks like you're getting swarmed from the
Head!
Yeah, bring some of the guys down here because they're all on the left side right now.
Ready? Go!
Go back to the village, guys. Use the smoke for cover and go back to the village.
Left door,
Left door window! Left door window! You got the tubes out! Smoke's out! Tubes are hit!
Tubes are hit, objective 2.
Tubes are hit!
Tubes are hit, objective 2 is hit.
Start sealing back! Someone give us the smoke
I got you, go!
Got it.
1.
Turn that way, there you go.
I'm the only one that's there. They're all fine.
Take you up. Go, keep cover fire.
There you go.
Coming back!
Come on, Marcus.
Coming back! Thanks.
Go. That's it,
We got melted. I think we all got melted.
Oh yeah.
We
all got melted.
Yeah, we got melted.
They had us locked down on the left.
Yeah. So then we regrouped and we got into the little bunker in there.
This is Locks. I have my full squad. We're pinned down in the village, taking contact from swamp side.
I gotta reload. Outside.
We got Deb coming across.
I can only get this land, I can't get both. Alright. I'm gonna block left. Go.
Okay, move in.
Just had to flip the flag.
The blue? So you just had to take it?
Yeah, we own it. Yeah, we kicked them out, you know?
After that, these guys are probably gonna have contact.
Yeah, they're falling back. Butters, they're moving back.
Good, let's surround them.
Up the hill, behind the big tree.
Make it back here, make it up here.
Make sure your guys are topping off on ammo so you don't have to go back.
Yeah, we did. We're doing okay so far. The enemy team took the first 2 objectives. They took out the helicopter and the anti-aircraft gun. Right now, they're making a push onto Old GI, which is behind me. They made 1 attempt at it, didn't get everybody, and they kind of pulled back. They still need to try to take out the anti-aircraft gun.
Move to fresh. Yeah, we're about to wreck on.
We were like, we gotta get out of here and go blow up Old GI.
Classic.
We had only a certain amount of time, we did it. Oh, now we can launch airstrikes. You know, the Royal Air Force used to come in. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
Open up, open up.
I'm not fat, but identify as skinny.
You're up.
Right.
We have 2 rifles, a pistol, and a bunch of other airsoft goodies, a couple gun bags. The M4 was donated by Bernie from 811, and the rest of it came from our store, from our gracious owner. 4176 4377. Any takers? 4062 4462.
K-Boys are going to be heading back to Spear Hill to our spawn at the trailer. Non-tape team, you guys are starting here again. The fire base, the village, the meth camp, Old GI, High Point, and the boat docks are all in play. That is all.
Take out the village and all, the oil refinery, the meth lab. We gotta take everything. The next one. Let's get out of here. Okay, anybody on hill?
Core, move it, Core, go. Move your way though, this is hot. Is that friendly? All right, friendly in the cafe, friendly in the cafe.
Far side of hotel, far side of hotel. You hit? Hit.
Then that's what it's feeling.
Yourself on. Alright. Oh, look at that. He's playing his own music there.
Oh, hit it!
Ben, when I can, you can have
So since the break for lunch, we started at our original start points. Our team, the Argentinians, we were out here at the Fear Hill spawn point, which was down by the camper. The other team started back at the swamp again. From there, we basically had to hold different points in the field. So Fear Hill, Old GI, High Point, Dock, the village, and the fire base, as well as the meth camp. And every 45 minutes we check to see who's holding the positions, and basically they get points for that. The other team definitely went on the offensive, took the village right off the bat, and kind of fanned out from there. But they didn't really get much further than the meth camp for our checkpoints, the last two at least. We basically had the whole back half of the field. First checkpoint, we got totally crushed.
Okay.
Second checkpoint, it was basically 50-50. This last one, it seemed like the only enemies that were on the field were right below us, just trying to push up the hill. But they didn't end up taking the last portion of the field. Beerface, you got anything else to say?
Took his head at Old GI.